Today, we're looking at how to show customer satisfaction through images on social media. This is Sorrento Flowers, and they are an independent online florist and they sell flowers anywhere in the UK. As you can see here, they've got a really good following, and what they do is they use social media as a way of promoting what they do. And obviously, they sell gorgeous flowers and they want people to see it. So one of the things that they did here, which actually got them more engagement than quite a lot of their posts, was they reshared an image of flowers that were delivered to a client. So it was actually taken by the client, shown on their table, looking all beautiful. You can see, like it's a lovely house in the background, and it shows how beautiful the flowers would be in real life. And here you can see a sweet embrace to brighten your day. Life moves fast, so take a moment to stop and embrace the moment. What are you doing for you today? And they've said sweet embrace because that's actually the flowers name, and then they've put the buy at our house now a home, and so that was the people that actually posted, and that's clearly an Instagram, but because it's not actually coming up as a Facebook one. So if you are doing it, then maybe make sure that you tag them in on Facebook, but I'm sure that you would tag them in on Instagram. But otherwise, it's a really, really strong post because it is all about user generated content. So make sure that you are keeping an eye on when customers actually showcase any of your things, or they tag you in, so that you can monitor them and so that you can reshare them as well. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things I'd want to do is to make sure that I'm keeping on top of my tags, and you can do that on your dashboard. Now, one of the great things about your dashboard is when you go into Maybe, you can see your best post on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, you can choose any other business. So they could choose literally any other florist in the UK to compare themselves to. However, one of the great things about the dashboard is this bit. So you can keep on top of your content, so the scheduled ins. You can look at the number of comments you've got, but here you can see people that have mentioned you. So here it says 4 mentions, so that's the number of people that have mentioned you in the last 7 days, and then you can reply back to them directly across all of the platforms. So that means you can keep on top of them, and of course, if they've tagged you in because they have they want to show how great your product is, amazing, because then you can then take it and you can reshare it yourself. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We love to help.